Hello everyone, welcome to another fantastic tutorial from the Nice Tower channel. In this video I will professionally and simply show you how to create a road between mountains using a few plugins. It's going to be an exciting and informative experience. Before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you won't miss any of our upcoming exciting videos. In our previous video I demonstrated how to build a mountain. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend watching it first to get familiar with the mountain building technique. I've included the link in the description. So let's get to work. First, using the Busy Toolbar plugin. Draw a guideline along the path where you want your road to be. So, as you see, this line is editable. Make sure it lies on the surface. After that, move the line upwards. And now, using the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle with dimensions 1300 cm by 100 cm. Note that 1300 cm is the width of the desired road and the length doesn't matter. Next, use the rotation tool to rotate the rectangle so that it forms a right angle with the guideline. Select both and then use the upright extruder plugin to create the path of the road. And now, keep the top face and delete the other faces. After selecting the face, move it down a bit. That's enough. Now, using the sandbox tool, click on Stamp and set the elevation around the road to 200 cm. As you see, the red lines indicate the elevation of the road. Select the main surface where you want the road to be and set its height. I think this spot looks good. We don't need the guideline anymore, so delete it. As you can see, the path of the road is created. Now, let's create the actual road. First, select the guideline and use the Profile Builder 3 plugin to create the road. For access to the plugins and the ready-made road file, visit our website. Click on this option to generate the road. As you can see, the road is created. Finally, move the road down to its place. Like this. Well friends, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. To support us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video and share it with your friends so you don't miss our future tutorials.